Jim, thanks for joining us today. We just outlined all of the changes and the special charges that you will be taking between now and the end of 27. I think everybody understands why you're making this decision, but walk us back to a couple of months ago, or how long ago was it that you and your team said, it's not working what we planned? We have to come up with a new strategy. And what was the thought process as you made the decision, we've got to shift?
Phil, well, thanks for having me on the show. Look, the last couple of months have been really clear to us. The EV market shrank to about 5% of the U.S. market, but more importantly, the very high-end EVs, the $50,000, $70,000, $80,000 vehicles, they just weren't selling. And we had planned a full EV lineup, but we also have hybrids, and we learned a lot about the market. And we think it was the right time to listen to the customers. We evaluated the market, and we made the call. We're following customers to where the market is, not where people thought it was going to be, but where it is today, Phil. And that's really the genesis of our announcement. Be better for the company's profitability, better for shareholders, and a lot of new American jobs.
Yeah, but $19.5 billion, that's a big enchilada out there. And I know they're pre-tax charges, but a lot of people will look at this and say, is that the cost of saying, we tried it, the other strategy wasn't working, and so we've got to pivot?
Well, yeah, we really do. The non-cash is the biggest part of it. The cash charges are about $5.5 billion, and the return on that $5.5 billion looks fantastic. These are affordable trucks and vans. They're in the heart of what Ford knows how to do. They'll be hybrid and E-Revs, very profitable vehicles. You know, we know these customers really well. We're not guessing. And we have a great EV platform in the UEV that's affordable at $30,000. We think we have the best portfolio of any auto company in the U.S. And we now get to focus as a team on bringing all those products to market. And it gives our Model E business, effectively our EV business, a road to profitability, which did not exist a month ago.
So you're looking at that division, that Model E division, being profitable by 2029. And I believe by 2030, yes, you were forecasting that half of your global sales will be either hybrids, yes, E-Revs, or pure EVs. It's about 17% yes, now. That's a big ramp up over the next 5 years, right?
Yeah, most of it is hybrid and E-Revs. You know, we've been number 3 in the U.S. market on hybrids, but we're number 1 in truck hybrids. We're like 80% market share, Phil, as you know. And now we're going to build up Bronco and our whole lineup of hybrids. You know, last month our sales were about flat. Our hybrid sales were up 20%. On F-150 now, the best-selling vehicle in the U.S., hybrid some months is 30% of our sales. Imagine having a Ford where a whole lineup has hybrids and E-Revs, and then we'll have this very affordable EV platform, UEV, at very affordable prices at $30,000. We think that's the right place to pivot. That's where Americans are today with their powertrains and what they want to buy.
Jim, it's Morgan. We're talking a lot about this from a domestic standpoint, but how does it position you competitively from a global one, especially when you think about Chinese OEMs?
Yeah, great question. Thank you for that question. Look, I think every region of the world is different. China is like more than 50% electric. Europe is about 25%. In the U.S., it's 5%. So what we're doing in Europe is we're teaming up with Renault. They have very affordable EVs. That makes sense. We don't want to invest our own EVs there, and we want to go to very affordable ones. For the rest of the world, we're really a truck and pro brand, you know, with pickup trucks and SUVs. And there, you know, the hybridization is a really good option for us. And we have great electric choices. So each region is a little different, but the U.S. is really different. Here, people travel longer distance. They use their trucks for towing. And these really expensive $70,000 electric trucks, as much as I love the product, they didn't make sense. But an E-Rev that goes 700 miles on a tank of gas for 90% of the time is all electric, goes 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. That E-Rev is a better solution for a Lightning than the current all-electric Lightning.